Okay, now we're going to do the major version of building a bar chord. Okay, so you're going to start off by covering the B string and the E string with your pointer finger. Make sure it comes out nice and clean. Pluck 2 strings. Okay? Then you're going to take your middle finger and put it on the 2nd fret of the G string, and you're going to strum 3 strings. Okay, now that is it's almost a full chord. It's actually called a triad, but it's on the way to building a bar chord. So there you go. This is your first step. Second step is you're going to maintain this position. You're going to take your ring finger and put it on the 3rd fret of the D string. You're going to pluck 4 strings. Make sure you get it nice and clean. Okay, now the next step in building the bar chord, the full bar chord, is you're going to move your ring finger up a string to the A string on the 3rd fret and put your pinky down where you previously had your ring finger. Now you're going to pluck 5 strings. Make sure you get them nice and clean. Okay, the final step in building a bar chord is to take your pointer finger, make sure you get it nice and flat. No arcs. It's got to be straight and flat. There's like no excuse. It's got to be flat. You should get a nice clean sound. Okay, make sure your thumb is roughly centered on the back of the neck, on the round. And make sure it's giving a good squeeze. Now you're going to take your ring finger and put it on the A string, 3rd fret. You're going to take your pinky and put it on the D string, 3rd fret. And now you're going to put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. And when all is said and done, you should have this. So, don't forget, you're going to start with barring these 2 strings. Then you're going to add your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, forming the triad. Then you're going to take your ring finger, put it down on the 3rd fret of the D string, pluck 4 strings. Then you're going to move your ring finger up a string to the A string, 3rd fret. You're going to put your pinky on the 3rd fret of the D string where your ring finger was, and you're going to pluck 5 strings. Okay, now you're going to take the bar, put it down, make sure you got a good squeeze from your thumb in the back. Make sure you get all the strings ringing, and now you form an E chord. And that is your full bar. That's your go.